Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with my little sister,
Gianna.
And my name is Krishna. She's 4 and I'm 10. And today we're going to be drawing an owl for Halloween. If you would like to make this wonderful drawing with us, be sure to keep on watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, friends, let's start drawing.
Okay, pick up your markers.
I already did.
Good job.
I did it faster.
First, we're gonna make a big U shape. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make a big U shape.
Like this.
Like that. It's okay.
Like
Now, from here, we're going to make a curved line.
curve line.
Good job.
It looks like a tiny body.
Now, we're gonna make a big, not big, a little big rainbow line. You can overline that if you want. Yeah, good job.
Oh, that's good.
Now,
I'm not making tummies.
Now we're gonna make a triangle
Triangle.
for the beak. Now we're gonna make 2 circles for the eyes. One big circle and another big circle.
Big circle and a big circle.
And now we're gonna make one eye here.
One eye here and 2 eye here. Color them up.
How do you already know?
Color them up.
I like your song.
I was not singing song. I was just talking about
Okay,
that
now-
myself.
Now we're gonna make the wings. We're gonna make
Yes, wings.
one wing here
Whoa,
and another wing here.
it's flying. It's finding her mom.
Now we're gonna make little bumps around the eye. You can look at mine if you need some help, okay? And look, Gianna, over here, make sure there's like a little end mark and then you start it. Then the owl will look more pretty. Good job. You did an amazing job.
I don't know how to make squiggly worms. Yeah, squiggly
Okay,
worms.
now we're gonna make the owl's feet. We're gonna make one line extending
One line extending.
and another one on the other side.
Another line, another. So that looks like a dress where the owls.
Yeah, it does look like the owl's wearing a dress. But these are actually the toes of the owl. We're gonna make one line coming down,
Yeah, one line down,
another line up,
another line up.
one more down, and then we finish it off.
We finish it off.
And then you can just do the same
I
thing.
did 3.
It's okay. And then we can do the same thing on this side. Do you need help? Oh, good job. You got it.
Yes!
Now we're gonna make a tree branch. A tree branch for the owl to sit on. We're gonna make a line over here.
It's finding her
So
mom.
here to here. Do you need help?
Boom, 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 boom.
Good job. Make sure you connect. Oh, make sure you connect them. Good job.
I did the dot.
Okay. Now we're gonna make another tree branch coming from the owl's toe.
From here.
To there. Good job.
Oh yeah.
And then, oh, you already did this. You don't need to do this part. But if you made a little gap here, you can just connect that with the line. You don't need to do that because your tree branch is there. Okay?
This one tree branch.
Now we're going to make from here a line coming up. So
Nita.
right here. Yes?
You remember in my school we saw an owl bird and an owl.
That's so cool.
Even an owl kitty cat. Owl kitty cat.
Now we're gonna make one line. So one line from here and we're gonna make it coming this way.
Dum, dum.
And then we're gonna make a point here and make it come down.
Make it come down.
And now from here, we're gonna make another line coming down and we're gonna connect these two.
And then it goes down.
Good job. Now we're gonna make a leaf. We're gonna make
Tita.
one semicircle here.
Tita, today in school we saw so many pets.
Ooh.
We saw the cute puppies. What?
And then another one on the other side. And then we'll do the same thing on this side.
The same thing on this side.
And then, and if you want, I'm gonna make a big, no, you can make a like C shape.
I want to make a circle.
Okay, do you know what this is?
No.
It's the moon.
I make it on the sun.
You're gonna make a sun so your owl's at daytime?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And a smiley face. Good job. Okay, now we're done making our owls. You did such a good job.
It looks funny too.
I know, it does look funny. Can I have your marker?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put it aside so
My
we can
hand
get.
has holes in it.
Now we're gonna get all of our colors and we're gonna start coloring our owl. We're gonna fast forward this part. So if you wanna pause the video,